guys. Welcome to the tutorial. So have you just installed WordPress on your website, right? Then wait. Do not publish anything. First, you have to configure a few essential settings in the WordPress dashboard for a better SEO experience. Follow me. I will walk you through step by step and explain every important setting you need to configure. Check our website for more details. So, first, navigate to the WordPress dashboard. Step 1. Open General Settings. Navigate to the Settings area and click on General. This will navigate you to General Settings. First, enter your website name in the site title. Then enter a tagline or description of your website in one line. The tagline will be displayed beside your site title in a website header and search engine. Then enter your website URL in a WordPress address URL box. If your domain has SSL, then you must enter your website URL preceded by HTTPS. Else use the only HTTP. Next, in a site address URL box, enter the homepage URL of your website. It is mentioned that if you want your site homepage to be different from your WordPress installation directory, then you need to enter that URL here. But my site address is the same as the WordPress address URL. So I will keep this the same as above. Next, enter the new email address if you want to change your admin address. By default, your admin address will be the same as you used during the time of domain name purchasing. Next is a membership option. If your website is a membership type of site, then check this option. Else ignore it. Next is the new user default role. It means that whatever you set here it will assign to the new user at the time of sign up. I always advise setting the author in the new user role. Remember, author user role has limited access to your WordPress dashboard compared to editor and admin user roles. Next, set site language. Next, set time zone. Then change the date format and time format. Then tap on the Save Changes button. Step 2. Configure writing settings. Then here you only need to change the update services list and leave other options as it is. In update services, you only need to enter a list of services that get a ping request whenever you publish a new post. I only use Ping-O-Matic. If you know more sites, then enter here. Step 3. Configure reading settings. Reading settings will give you the option to change the front page and your feed. Now first define the appearance of the home page. You have two options: either select the latest posts which show only new posts on the website homepage, or simply choose a static page. Then you can set any page for the homepage and posts page. Next, define the number of blog posts to appear on the front page. Next, select a summary under each post in a feed. Next, make sure to uncheck the search engine visibility option. If you check this, then your website won't appear on the search engine. Then tap on the Save Changes button. Step 4. Open discussion settings. First, uncheck Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. This will allow your blog to notify other blogs if you link to them in your article. Your mention will show up in their comments section if they allow pingbacks. But it will slow down your website. So keep it unchecked. Next, also uncheck the second option. This option will allow the pingbacks to your site from other websites that link to your article. But it will produce huge spam. So it is better to turn this option off. Next, if you want to enable comments on your website, then check on the Allow people to submit comments on new posts option. Then move to Other comment settings. In the first option, you need to define whether a user needs to enter its name and email or not before comment on your site. Make sure to check this option. After that, uncheck second and third options. Then enable threaded comments. By enabling this, WordPress will allow replies to comments. You can control how many replies to allow for the single comment by using the Levels Deep option. I am choosing 8 here. It is not a rule to follow, choose whatever you want. Then define the maximum number of comments you want to show on a page. When comments reach this value, they will show on the next page. It is good to break the comments into pages. Then under Email Me Whenever option, check both options. This will send you an email every time somebody comment on your website. Then this is a very crucial option. You must check this option if you want every comment needs to be reviewed manually before appearing on the site. If you uncheck this, lots of spammy comments will be flooding your website. Most of the spammy creators are always try to spam your website by commenting on negative words on your site such as porn, pornography, etc. By including such words here, those comments will directly go for moderation, but this comment moderation feature will become useless if you set all comments to check manually in the above option. Don't worry, keep that option checked. Next, scroll down to the avatars section. Avatars are basically a small profile image that shows beside every comment. If a user doesn't have the avatar set on his ID, then you can define the default avatar which will show in the place of the person's profile pic. Step 5. Configure media settings. Leave thumbnail size as it is. And make sure to set max width and height to 0 under medium and large size. When you upload an image, WordPress will create 4 to 5 different sized images from a single image. It will consume your server's hard disk storage. But when you set 0 in these options, WordPress will not generate those images. Step 6. Configure Permalinks settings. Permalinks settings are the most essential settings. This will directly impact the SEO of your website. It also shows a warning here. So be careful while configuring permalinks settings. So basically, permalink is the permanent structure of your blog post or page. Here you also need to define the default structure of the URL. By default, WordPress uses the first option. But it is always recommended to use the SEO-friendly URL. Post name option will give you a better SEO-friendly URL structure. This option will give your post title as your URL. You can always change your URL while writing posts. You can also use the custom structure option to include your category name also in the URL. Like this. First, enter a category tag, then enter the post name tag in a custom structure. Use either post name or custom structure. Both are good for SEO purposes. Step 7. Configure privacy settings. Here you only need to set the privacy policy page. If you do not have a privacy page yet, then you must create first, then set it here. Basically, privacy page is the page where every website owner provides important details such as what data they are collecting from users, information related to affiliate programs, AdSense disclaimer, and much more. You can check this guide to learn more about the content to be included in the privacy page. So this is it. All the important WordPress settings have been configured properly. Now you are free to publish new content on your new website. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more blogging related tutorials.